Hello viewers, let's add and remove Google search bar and Android mobile with few easy steps. So let's first check it either Google search bar has already installed on your Android mobile or need to be installed. So click Play Store and click on search, type and search Google search and click on this search button. Now I already installed, so let me open it in case if you haven't installed yet. So in place of open you will see install. Now it's already working, so let's add it to the mobile screen for swift searching. Now long press on your mobile screen or squeeze it inward and this appears, so click Widgets. And when Widgets open, go to search and type Google. It appears, just click it and now you can see the icon of Google search. So long click on it and do the placement. You can place it anywhere on your mobile desktop. Let me place it over here and now let me just click inside the mobile. Let's check either it's working or not. So simply it's working. Now to remove it, come again and long click on the Google search bar and it appears, so click remove. So through this way you can add or remove Google search bar on your Android mobile. Thanks for watching.